We just had water damage up in that ceiling. I had cut the damage out in a square so the insulation go back up. We've got the sheet lifter there ready to lift the sheet up, and the sheet here in the hallway ready to go up. Okay, the sheet's going up. Sheet lifter's in use. And so I saw that Melbourne there.
Resting on the plank now.
Okay. That's pretty well up into place now.
I'll have to get up.
Start screwing it up in a minute. Straighten up a bit. I'll tighten it up a bit there now. Pretty well right. And it's pretty well in place. Knife it in a little bit off there. A little bit better. Knife it in. Whittle it in. Just the noisiest you've ever heard, Joe.
Yeah, it's a hammer.
You're hammering them in, eh?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Screwing it up. Huh?
Yeah, I'm so right up into it.
Putting the insulation back up there. I'll hold that later. Yeah? Okay, you ready for one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just hang on to the something up there. Put the sheets up now. I'll start troweling the ceiling up. Just troweling the ceiling up, pretty well done up there, just final polishing. Henry, can you help me please? Just get Henry to hold the camera. Thank you, Mr. Holt. Okay. You just keep the photo going. You got it?
Yeah.
Put it on now.
Hold on. What?
Okay, keep going.
Too long, no good, no, only a few minutes. Oh, I know. You want to have your picture there. Is it? Yep. You just no need to do anything, just look your face here, enough.
Look at Henry.
No, your face is against the light, can't see.
Okay, that's okay.
Your face must be seen better.
That's just the job with.
No, you stand this side, face the light, your face.
How's that? Good?
Actually, it's very bright, not very bright, your face.
Oh, that's okay. You just need the action shot.
No, because the light, you know. The light. You look this side, look this side, look this side. Your face look down. Just hold the equipment, you know.
Okay.
Just hold the equipment, your face, put the thing, your face look down.
No, I gotta look what I'm doing.
No, look at the camera, no need to.
I can't look at the camera, I gotta look what I'm doing.
Look at the camera for a while, 1 second. Come. There we go. Yeah. This your face is there. See? Your face must be there. That's very clear.
Henry.
That one very clear. Just hold enough.
Huh?
Hold it like that, your face doing.
Yeah, but we gotta close.
Like that is okay, very clear already. You want some more?
A little bit more. Okay, that's probably about enough.
Quite a lot your face is there. Then how do you off it? I don't know. You can cut the movie anyway.
Yeah.
How do you off? How do you off it? Already off.
Push it down, that's all.
How do you off? You can have a look at the movie again.